We'll guide you through how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp on your iPhone. And so it's common that you've got two WhatsApp accounts. Perhaps you've got one for your work and one for your personal number. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and use them on one iPhone. This is really convenient to do because you can then simply go and switch between them, and you can then go and send and receive for both accounts on one iPhone within the WhatsApp app. This didn't used to be a feature, but more recently it has been. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get this set up and go and have them on your device. It has been a feature longer on an Android, but now it's on iPhone. So let's go and dive into this. So what you need to do is you want to head to the bottom right of WhatsApp and go and find the U button, and you can go and tap there. Then what you want to do is go and find the option for account. And then you're going to find the option for add account, like so. As well as doing that, you can go and press the plus over to the right of your name at the top here and find the option for add account. But I find it easier to go and press account, and then we can go and press add account here and press add account at the bottom. So now it goes and says, welcome to WhatsApp. So make sure you have read their policies and you agree to the terms of service. I do, so I'll press agree and continue. So now it's important to note here that if you haven't currently got the WhatsApp number and account being used on another device, go and type in the number. But if you do and you want to keep using it on that other device, you need to link this device as a companion device. To do that, press the three dots in the top right and we can press link as companion device. If you just go and enter in the number here, it will then no longer be on the other device as the account we move to this one. But if you want to keep it on the other device, link it as a companion device. Hopefully that makes sense. So I'm going to link this as a companion device. But if you just have the number you want to add, you can just go and type it in there. So what we then need to do for the companion device is we need to go and scan the QR code. Of course, if you're just typing in the number there, you won't. So on this device, which I go and have it on, we need to go and find where we can scan it. So if it's on another iPhone, press U in the bottom right and press link devices and press the button. On an Android, press the three dots in the top right and press link devices, and you can go and press link a device. And then what we can do here is go and scan the QR code. I need to go and give permission. Then it'll go and say logging in. As you can see, you could actually link with the phone number instead, but it now says keep WhatsApp open. And now we've gone and added the account. So if I go and press the U button in the bottom right, I can go and press the arrow over to the right and you can go and switch between the accounts. As you can see, it's that simple. And if you went and added it just as the phone number and not as linking the device, you can go and do the same thing. You can easily go and switch. So that's it. That is how you can go and use two WhatsApp accounts on one iPhone. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos.